John 17 verse 11. And I am no longer in the world, but these are in the world, and I am coming to you. Holy Father, keep them in your name, those whom you have given me, so that they may be one, even as we are one. So that they may be one, even as we are one. Paul writes unto the Galatians in Galatians 4 verse 19, saying, My children, for whom I'm still in birth pangs until Christ be formed in you. Jesus was on many occasions in his earthly journey in birth pangs until he himself awakened unto the fullness of the Christ image. He is asking Father that we must be one just like him and the Father are one. The Spirit is also pleading with us to depart from carnal minds and be clothed over with the mind of Christ. This is every individual's top priority. Depart from your false Adamic identity and be clothed with your true Christ-likeness identity.